हरे कृष्णा चैतन्य चरितामृत चैप्टर 13 मध्य लीला टेक्स्ट 151। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमः ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिन् इति नामिने। नमः आचार्यपादाय नित्याय कृपाप्रदायिने गौरकथा दामादाय नगरग्रामतारिणे। नमः ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्ता स्वामिनिति नामिने। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर शिवसति गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। वासुदेवा परावेदा वासुदेवा परामखा वासुदेवा परायोगा वासुदेवा पराक्रिया वासुदेवा परमज्ञाना वासुदेवा परातपा वासुदेवा परमधर्मो वासुदेवा परागति। कृष्णे वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानंदं कृष्णं वंदे जगद्गुरु। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। कृष्णे स्वधामोपगति धर्मज्ञानादि भीषः कलो नष्टो दृशामेष पुराणाको दिनोदिता। नष्टप्रायेष्वभद्रेष नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकीम्। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैता चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैता चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैता चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। वृंदावन में श्री कृष्ण पूरी जगन्नाथ मायापुर में गौरा निताय बोलो रे सवार। वृंदावन में श्री कृष्ण पूरी जगन्नाथ मायापुर में गौरा निताय बोलो रे सवार। वृंदावन में श्री कृष्ण पूरी जगन्नाथ मायापुर में गौरा निताय बोलो रे सवार। जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी तुम्हें जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवा तुम्हें। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेव जय सुभद्रा। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेव जय सुभद्रा। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेव जय सुभद्रा। कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम भज गौरा निताय। कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम भज गौरा निताय। कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम भज गौरा निताय। जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवा तुम्हें। जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवा तुम्हें। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेव जय सुभद्रा। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेव जय सुभद्रा। कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम भजो गौरा निताय। कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम भजो गौरा निताय। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. टेक्स्ट 151। सभी सुनने वाले वैष्णव वैष्णवी गोपा गोपियों को, भाई बहनों को और सभी भक्त वृंद प्रेमियों को सर्ववन्य देवी दासी माता जी का दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार करें। My dear Srimati Radharani, I am always subservient to the loving affairs of all of you. I am under your control only. My separation from you and residence in distant places have occurred due to my strong misfortune. When a woman is separated from the man she loves, or a man is separated from his beloved woman, neither of them can live. It is a fact that live only for each other. For if one dies and the other hears of it, he or she will die also. Such a loving caste wife, such a loving chaste wife and loving husband desire all welfare for each other in separation and do not care for personal happiness, desiring only each other's well-being. Such a pair certainly meet again without delay. You are my most dear, and I know that in my absence you cannot live for a moment. Just to keep you living, I worship Lord Narayana by his merciful potency. I come to Vrindavana every day to enjoy pastime with you. I then return to Dwarka Dhama. Thus you are always feel my presence there in Vrindavana. Our love affair is more powerful because of my good fortune in receiving Narayana's grace. This allow me to come there unseen by others. I hope that very soon I will be visible to everyone. I have already killed all the mischievous demons who are enemies of the Yadu dynasty, and I have also killed Kansa and his alliance, but there are two or four demons still living. I want to kill them, and after doing so I shall very soon return to Vrindavan. Please know this for certain. I wish to protect the inhabitants of Vrindavana from the attacks of my enemies. That is why I remain in my kingdom. Otherwise, I am indifferent to my royal position. Whatever wives, sons, and wealth I maintain in the kingdom are only for the satisfaction of the Yadus. Your loving qualities always attracted me to Vrindavana. Indeed, they will bring me back within 10 or 20 days. And when I return, I shall enjoy both day and night with you and all the damsels of Brajabhumi. While speaking to Srimati Radharani, Krishna became very anxious to return to Vrindavana. He made her listen to a verse which vanished all her difficulties and which assured her that she would again attain Krishna. Lord Sri Chaitanya, Lord Sri Krishna said, "Devotional service unto me is the only way to attain me. My dear gopis, whatever love and affection you have attained for me by good fortune is the only reason for my returning to you." Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would sit in his room with Swarupa Damodara and taste the topics of these verses day and night. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dances completely absorbed in ecstasy, emotion while looking at the face of Lord Jagannatha. He dances and recited these verses. No one can describe the good fortune of Swarupa Damodara Goswami, for he is always absorbed in the service of the Lord with his body, mind and words. The senses of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu were identical with the senses of Swarupa. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to become fully absorbed in tasting the singing of Swarupa Damodara. In emotional ecstasy, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would sometimes sit on the ground and looking down would write on the ground with the finger. Fearing that the Lord would enjoy his finger by writing in this way, Sarvabhauma Swarupa Damodara checked him with his own hand. Swarupa Damodara used to sing exactly according to the ecstasy, emotion of the Lord. Whenever a particular mellow was being tested by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Swarupa Damodara would personify if by singing. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu looked upon the beautiful lotus-like face and eyes of Lord Jagannatha. Lord Jagannatha was garlanded and dressed with nice garment and adorned with beautiful ornaments. His face was glittering from the rays of sunshine, and the entire atmosphere was fragrant. An ocean of transcendental bliss exploded in the heart of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and symptoms of madness immediately intensified like a hurricane. The madness of transcendental bliss created waves of various emotion. The emotion appeared like opposing soldiers staging a fight. There was an increase in all the natural emotional symptoms. Thus there were awakening emotion, peacefulness, joy mix, transcendental and prevalent emotion and impetuous for emotion. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu body appeared like a transcendental Himalayan mountain, bring ecstatic emotional flower trees, all the them blooming. The sight of all these symptoms attracted everyone's mind and consciousness. Indeed, the Lord prickled everyone's mind with the nectar of transcendental love of Godhead. He sprinkled the minds of the servant of Lord Jagannatha, the government officers, the pilgrim visitors, the general populace, and all the residents of Jagannatha Puri. Upon seeing the dancing and ecstatic love of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, everyone became astonished in their hearts. They became infatuated with love of Krishna. Everyone dances and chanted in ecstatic love, and a great noise resounded. Everyone was overwhelmed with transcendental bliss just to see the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Apart from the others, even Lord Jagannatha and Lord Balarama with great happiness began to move very slowly upon seeing the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Jagannatha and Lord Balarama sometimes stopped the car and happily observed Lord Chaitanya's dancing. Anyone who was able to see them stop and watch the dancing bore witness to their pastimes. When Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing and wandering in the way, he fell down in front of Maharaja Prataprudra. Maharaja Prataprudra picked the Lord up with great respect, but upon seeing the king, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to his external senses. After seeing the king, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu condemned himself, saying, "Oh, how pitiful it is that I have touched a person who is interested in mundane affairs." Not even Lord Nityananda Prabhu, Kaseswara or Govinda took care of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When he fell down, Nityananda was in great ecstasy, and Kaseswara and Govinda were elsewhere. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had already been satisfied by the king's behavior, for the king had accepted the service of a sweeper for Lord Jagannatha. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu actually desired to see the king. However, just to warm his personal associates, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu externally expressed the feeling of anger. King Prataprudra became frightened when Lord Chaitanya shows external anger. But Swarup Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya told the king, "Don't worry." Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya informed the king, "The Lord is very satisfied with you. By pointing you out, he was teaching his personal associate how to behave with mundane people." Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya continue, "I shall submit your petition when there is an opportune moment. It will then be easy for you to come and meet the Lord." After circumambulating Jagannatha, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to behind the car and began pushing it with his head. As soon as he pushed, the car immediately started to move, making a rattling noise. The people all around began to chant the holy name of the Lord, Hari Hari. As the car began to move, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took his personal associates in front of the cars, accompanied by Lord Balarama and Subhadra, the goddess of fortune. Greatly inspired, he then began to dance in front of them. After finishing the dance before Lord Baldeva and Subhadra, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came before Lord Jagannatha, and upon seeing Lord Jagannatha, he began to dance again. When they reached the place called Balagandhi, Lord Jagannatha stopped his car and began to look left and right. On the left side, Lord Jagannatha saw a neighborhood of Brahmanas and a coconut tree grove. On the right side, he saw nice flower gardens resembling those in the holy place Vrindavana. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his devotees were dancing in front of the car, and Lord Jagannatha, having stopped the car, watched the dancing. It was customary that food be offered to the Lord at Viper asana. Indeed, innumerable dishes of food were offered, and Lord Jagannatha rested each one of them. All kinds of devotees of Lord Jagannatha, from neophytes to the most advanced, offer their best cooked food to the Lord. These devotees included the king of queens, his ministers and friends, and all others being and small residents of Jagannath Puri.